Let's make a crispy and delicious chicken sandwich. So I'm going to start off with an egg, a cup of milk, some hot sauce, and some smoked paprika. I seasoned my chicken and my flour with the ingredients on the screen. I also added some Parmesan cheese to my flour. Now I went from the wet to the dry, back to the wet to the dry, and I gave my chicken a little squeeze just to get some crispy layers on there. So I'm frying my chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until the internal temp is 165. So I'm going to do this big back style. I'm going to have a croissant for the bottom as well as the top bun. I'm adding some garlic, Parmesan, and basil butter, as well as some Parmesan on top. I'm going to toast it in the oven. So I'm going to add some ketchup, some honey dijon mustard, and some hot sauce to a bowl. That's going to be my sauce. I'm going to add some Parmesan on top of my chicken with some lettuce, some more sauce on the bun. And when I tell y'all, this was absolutely delicious.